Today we've got the BMW's Original Natural Air Car Air Freshener. Let's see what's inside the box. It comes pre-packaged with this Mountain View scent, and this is the scent holder that you could place inside your car, and it also has another attachments just in case if you want to attach it differently to your car. And we also ordered this, the Natural Air Car Freshener with relaxing ocean scent, and it comes with three fillers. And next, let's see how to install it. So here we are inside the car. Let's install the air freshener. Here it is. So we're gonna try to attach it right here. Let's see. All right. So it's there, and it's a perfect match. Looks amazing. To be honest, I opened the Mountain View scent and I personally didn't like it that much. So right now, for the first scent in my car, I'm gonna use another refill, which I liked very much, Relaxing Ocean. In fact, I opened one and I really liked it. So probably that's my personal preference. Let's see how to install that. So here is a lid that you can open, and you have to just gently slide this refill in and close the lid. And then this is the button that you can use actually to slide to open or to close the air freshener. So I think this is a perfect addition to my car, and I'm already liking it.